It's your boy, CeeLo, on Smoking Metal Car Fun. Back with another video. I am on my way to the auto parts store to go and check and see if I can find the exhaust fit for the Magnum for my tips. Not really sure. I think I'm gonna go across the street first and go to auto zone. These motherfucking people, boy, I tell you. People drive slow, get on my nerves, boy. Let's see. We're gonna go over here to AutoZone and see if they got. Hey, how you doing?
The Baltimore Beat Kings.
So it's 2.5 on the exhaust end, and then
right. So therefore, this would work because I can't find nothing that's perfect for this. So therefore, I would need something to go across this for the 2.5. You know what I mean?
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, it's gonna set flush with it.
Yeah. these because if I'm correct online, I think I seen these for shit,
A lot cheaper.
two of these for the price of this one.
Yeah, our exhaust is a little pricey whenever it comes to like chrome tips like that.
Right. It say the inlet diameter is 2.875. The outlet is 3.5. So this is 2.8. So and the outlet is. So that but yeah, it's called smoking. IN. And then metal. Car fun.
Car fun.
Yeah. Car fun, one word. Yeah, see, I teach him how to work on cars, you know. Might not be around forever, you know what I mean? So he gotta be able to help his mom. So
I got my first boy coming in March. And
The Baltimore Beat Kings.
got it
all right. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's go stop that shop. Drop this stuff off. See when he can start on that. So, yep. I get with y'all when we get back to the shop. Live in the woods. We just go through a little bit of woods. Nothing serious. This is our little bit of town. In PA.
Back road before we hit town. It's the back road before we hit town.
Yep.
Not in town yet.
It say go slow, you gonna slide. That's what that sign say.
Fish tailing in the winter. You gonna turn? You gonna say? See, that's why I'm glad it's recording. People like that. She's just gonna turn.
Probably noticed me holding the camera.
She'd have been mad. She can't see. She'd have been mad. All that stuff. Make sure my dog don't get out. What's up, y'all? We on our way down to the shop to go and drop off these parts. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the Smoking Metal Car Fun channel. You know, there's many more different merch to come. I ain't dropped this off. It's 411. Hopefully he ain't dashed out already. I think they closed it. Probably like, he back again with some more parts. Yes, I am. I'm back. Back again.
You want your piece too, Dad? Hi, Dad. You want your muffler thing? Here.
Oh, I get yeah.
Okay. What you do with it? Okay, I see it. It's up. It's up here.
You should have shut the door.
Well, I mean, I'm sorry. My hands are full.
Sweet. That'll be good. Yep, that'll work. Okay. I wasn't sure. These that go from the pipes to these, and then I'm gonna order the tips. So I figured I'd bring these so that way. All right, I need to pay my bill then. Okay. So, all right, that's what's up. We got them dropped off. All right, get the exhaust down. All right, sounds good. My other parts is on order for the controls, all that shit. So I figured I can get that done, just done now. Okay. Because that was the quickest thing to get.
One thing at a time, man.
Right, exactly. All right, thank you. It's ready to be on. I'm so excited. And yes, yes. Now, just so y'all can get a little quick glimpse of the merchandise, I am excited about my car, y'all. Excuse me. She getting ready to start getting her exhaust done the way I want her for the past 3 years since I had the mufflers. But on another note, my merch is Smoking How the Car
Hood up.
Fun. You
Hood
guys
up.
Tell me what y'all think.
Hood up. It's covering it.
My hood covering?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, we can do that too. We can hold some cover for this. Then, I actually gonna put something up here in the front for everybody. But, yeah, this is my merch. All different colors is coming. I know I'm a little dirty, car shit today. You guys get
Look at them shoes,
but
though.
I'm still a little fresh, you know what I mean? Fresh with the flies, the feet lies, the flies. Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. I can still high step if I choose to. But just a little rough while we out here trying to get the Magnum done. There she is, and it's getting ready to happen. I can't wait. I need for everybody on this channel who subscribe, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, smash that notification bell so y'all can get all upcoming content that I put out. Because it's getting ready to definitely go down and be legendary. Thanks for watching. Make sure y'all hit that thumbs up, and peace.